Hello, welcome back. Again, this is game time with Kent from Apple Pie English School. So this is called the car race game. So of course, in your house, anything you have cars, and you just need cars and a dice, or even not cars, anything like erasers, any items, and you give one to each people in the family. Here we go. And so we're going to start from here. So here we go, start from here, and then you roll the dice. So again, the dice you can find at Dice-O. Boom. So then I will go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have to say what's on the thing. So for example, this is nest, in the nest, in the nest. But if I roll a 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, no, boom, crash. So one time absent. So ikayashimi. Okay, let's see. So I'll go first. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the nest. Here you go. Kazune. 3. Okay, so please car. W1. I don't know. Oh, so I don't know. So if I don't know, so back. Okay, so go. Sorry, go. 3. Okay, so the ambulance.
Wet.
Wet. People, W wet. Okay, so Soichiro, go. Okay, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5.
And my mouse.
Mouse. Okay, so my turn. 3. 1, 2, 3. W watch. Okay, Kazune. 1. I crash. Okay. 5. Good job. 1, 2.
Wet.
Easy because it was the same. Here you go, Soichiro. 2. Okay, Soichiro. No, I'm the boss. 1, 2. Yeah.
What?
Watch people. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. Crash. I crashed. Okay. And crash. Okay, here you go. 1. Crash. Okay. Wow. Everybody crashed. Oh no, everybody crashed. Okay, then Kazune. Okay. 6. Good job. Okay, there you go. Sorry, that's right. Okay, Kazune. 1. 1 more. Pinda Panda. Okay, then next, Sara. 6. Okay, finish. You take elephant. It's number 1. You're the first place. So first place. Let's see. 4.
1,
2, 3, 4. Okay. Why? No. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. Okay. My turn. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why yarn? Okay, Kazune, go. Okay, finish. Okay, what's this?
Elephant.
Okay, so like that, you're going to go until everybody finishes. So first place, second place, maybe third place, fourth place. So please do with your kids, with their vocabulary box at home, as often as you can. Thank you for watching again. This was Apple Pie English School's Game Time with Kid.